How to log out from Google Voice. First of all, open your browser and go to voice.google.com. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture or Google account icon. From the drop-down menu, select Sign Out. This will immediately log you out of Google Voice and disconnect your active session in the browser. If you are using multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the correct one before signing out. Logging out is helpful if you are on a shared computer or want to switch accounts quickly. It also helps keep your personal messages and call history safe from unauthorized access. Once logged out, you can always sign back in anytime using your Google account to access Google Voice again. Now you know how to log out from Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.